leg of our Florida trip, Grand Cayman, Miami, Fort Lauderdale. We are now in Orlando, staying at the Ritz-Carlton Grande Lakes. Right when you walk in, you have your guest bathroom. So it's just a little half bath with the toilet and sink. Then continuing on, you do have a small closet here. This is the executive suite here at the Ritz-Carlton Grande Lakes. Nice living space. Kitchen area. This is one of two balconies here, so I'll get a nice long shot of the other balcony, but two balconies. The other balcony is going to be in the bedroom. Your honor bar, things that you can purchase, has a list, menu, and then obviously the complimentary coffee and tea with the Nespresso, which is exclusive to the Ritz-Carlton brand. There's the bedroom. King size bed with the sofa. Nice TV, kind of little dresser there. As you continue into the bedroom, you're going to have a very large walk-in closet. That's where the safe is. One robe and pair of slippers. The other will be in the master bath. And that brings us to the large bathroom here. Always a tub. Very nice shower, again with the dual shower heads. Those great amenities that Ritz-Carlton provides. Dual sinks. And they always give you that little extra bit, right? Your dental kit, vanity, shaving, all that good stuff. So again, this is an executive king suite at the Ritz-Carlton Grande Lakes in Orlando. The large balcony, oh, it's locked. Has a nice little sofa and seating area, great for coffee or breakfast in the morning. This side you can kind of see the Ritz-Carlton courtyard. Highball and Harvest is down there. It overlooks the golf course. I believe it's a JW course. And then we have the pool. And when you stay here, you still have access to the JW Marriott. It's right next door. You still have access to their pool. Their pool is going to be the ones with the water slides, the lazy river. So it's a nice perk that you still have access to the JW pool. The Ritz is definitely what we call the quiet pool. There's going to be a lot more children on the JW side. But just a gorgeous view. Another beautiful room staying here at the Ritz-Carlton. They always have that extra touch of service and just beautiful clean rooms. And we love to stay with the Ritz-Carlton brand.